This is our project. I accidentally dropped the picture. This is our project. Kiana Chico, Namira Tally.
Hello.
So we're doing a project on light refraction, and we are going to see if we can
Make a glass cup invisible.
make a glass beaker invisible. It's beakers. So our project is mainly about light refraction, and I said from Google, light refraction is the bending of a light wave, and it has different speed. When light passes through a transparent object and comes out a different way, it's due to one medium being fast and one medium being slow. And when that happens, it bends the light, and light refracts whenever it travels at an angle into a substance with a different refractive index, optical density. So when the change in direction happens, it is caused by the change in speed. For example, when air travels through water, it is slow and will cause it to move forward at a different angle or direction. So our materials are glass beakers, Pyrex glass beakers, one big, one small, at least. About 2 or 3 Pyrex tubes, but since we're only doing one experiment, we're only using one. Some vegetable oil or canola oil. So first, what you want to do is some gloves and a bucket so that it won't get everywhere. So first, what you want to do is get some gloves and put them on. So let me put those on. And almost done. Okay, so then you want to take the vegetable oil or pure canola oil and pour it into the beaker and fill it up to 800 milliliters. So you see it's at 800 milliliters. Next, what you want to do is take the Pyrex beaker, let's put this down, and then you want to take it and fully put it in the vegetable oil or pure canola oil, and put this part where the writing is on the same part where the writing is, so you can't really tell the difference.
Oh my god. That's a mess.
Okay, so we're gonna have to pour some more in here since that happened. So we're gonna pour that. And now, as you can see, you cannot
It's
see
gone.
it. Alright, Kiana, your turn to explain.
And so our hypothesis was if canola oil and vegetable oil work, will any other oil work? And can you revise the hypothesis?
So yeah, so that's our hypothesis. And what else you could do is take the Pyrex tube and fully disorient it inside here. And as you can see, you can't see it, except for the writing right here, but you can't see it due to light refraction. Because we're actually not even seeing this tube, we're actually seeing the light bouncing off of the tube. So say there was no light, like in the world, or no light bouncing off of the tube, that you couldn't even see this, except for the writing. So, see, fully disoriented, and then it fills up, and then it's
You
So-
can at least see the bubbles of it though.
our hypothesis was if you, our hypothesis, not hypothesis, our results are okay for the most part. We got 100 for the Pyrex beakers, the pure vegetable oil with the pure vegetable oil, Pyrex beakers with the pure canola oil, Pyrex beakers with Pyrex testing tubes with the pure canola oil, and Pyrex testing tubes with the pure vegetable oil. So the one thing is there was one that was 0, and that was the pure canola oil with the Pyrex testing tubes, and that did not work because, well, I haven't figured out why, and I'm still trying to figure out, and I was probably gonna tell you the day of. So yeah, that's, and then our conclusion. Oh, here you can take.
Our conclusion is that the results were okay. However, we learned that there was trial and error. There's also human errors, and so that's why we didn't get a perfect result.
The human errors were pretty much that, just like I did. I put the beaker in, and then and then it overflowed, and then it went into the bucket, which is also another reason why you should have a bucket. So, and then as you can see, like, if you have it down on a side, it won't be able to. If you have it down on a side, it won't. You can still kind of see it because it's not completely filled up, and that's actually what happened before, and that was also human error. And all right, you can tell them future directions.
Our future direction is to to work properly. What are the future directions? I recommend determining how far people are going if you are presenting this experiment, because it is pretty much light refraction.
And that's our project.
I worked so hard to get that rock.